Prime Day is just around the corner, and Amazon is already packed with amazing early deals and big savings. We've rounded up 40 of the best offers you can grab right now. These deals won't last forever, so don't wait too long. Let's dive straight into the best discounts available today. Our first deal features the Serene Life Small Air Conditioner. Now 19% off, priced at $389, down from $479. This portable unit cools, heats, and dehumidifies rooms up to 550 square feet with a remote control and window exhaust kit for easy setup. Our second deal features the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2. Now 44% off, priced at $448, down from $799. With 1-hour fast charging and advanced Charge Shield 2.0 technology, it delivers safe, efficient power when you need it most. Our third deal features the Oral-B IO Series 3, now 40% off, priced at $59, down from $99. It features a smart timer, refill alerts, and 3 personalized cleaning modes for a dentist-recommended clean every time. Our fourth deal features the Ninja Frost Vault Hard Cooler, now 30% off, priced at $174, down from $249. With premium ice retention and a separate dry zone, it keeps food and drinks cold and organized for days on any adventure. Our fifth deal features the Cordless Handheld Leaf Blower, now 50% off, priced at $79, down from $159. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, it delivers up to 26 minutes of cordless runtime with 2 powerful batteries and a rapid charger for non-stop garden cleanup. Our sixth deal features the Shinko Portable Air Conditioner, now 15% off, priced at $289, down from $339. With cool fan and dry modes plus powerful self-evaporating dehumidification, it adapts easily to any season or comfort level. Our seventh deal features the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, now 50% off, priced at $149, down from $299. With up to 40 minutes of runtime and strong suction, it tackles pet hair and debris across both floors and carpets with ease. Our eighth deal features the Chefman Digital Air Fryer Plus, now 43% off, priced at $79, down from $139. This all-in-one appliance air fries, bakes, roasts, and more with rapid air heating for fast, crispy, evenly cooked meals. Our ninth deal features the Winix Air Purifier, now 32% off, priced at $135, down from $199. It captures 99.99% of allergens as small as 0.01 microns and purifies large rooms up to 1,882 square feet in just 1 hour. Our 10th deal features the Amazon Fire Max 11 bundle, now 38% off, priced at $220, down from $356. This all-in-one bundle includes a Vivid 11-inch tablet, keyboard case, and stylus, perfect for work, creativity, and entertainment. Our 11th deal features the OM System Olympus OM5, now 25% off, priced at $899, down from $1,199. With advanced computational photography, precision autofocus, and rugged weatherproofing, it's built for pro-level shooting anywhere. Our 12th deal features the Jackery Solar Generator 3000 Pro, now 50% off, priced at $1,999, down from $3,999. It fully charges in just 2.4 hours and delivers top-tier solar efficiency, even in low light, for reliable off-grid power. Our 13th deal features the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, now 15% off, priced at $126, down from $149. With 3-axis stabilization, smart tracking, and instant setup, it delivers smooth, pro-quality footage right from your smartphone. Our 14th deal features the GoPro Hero 13, now 23% off, priced at $329, down from $429. This waterproof action camera captures stunning 5.3K 60 video and 27 megapixel photos with compatibility for HB series lenses. Our 15th deal features the Marshall Acton 3, now 33% off, priced at $199, down from $299. This stylish speaker delivers rich sound with up to 6 hours of wireless playtime in a compact, iconic design. Our 16th deal features the Samsung Galaxy A16, now 13% off, priced at $174, down from $199. It features a vibrant 6.7-inch display and a triple-lens camera for sharp, clear photos and immersive viewing. Our 17th deal features the DJI Osmo Action 4, now 30% off, priced at $209, down from $299. With a large 1x1.3-inch sensor, it delivers stunning 4K clarity and exceptional low-light performance for every adventure. Our 18th deal features the Nothing Phone 3, now 11% off, priced at $799, down from $899. Powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip with AI optimization, it delivers ultra-fast performance and next-gen efficiency. Our 19th deal features the Samsung Odyssey G3 27-inch, now 43% off, priced at $129, down from $229. With a 180Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and FreeSync support, it delivers ultra-smooth, tear-free gameplay and visuals. Our 20th deal features the Insignia F50, now 46% off, priced at $189, down from $349. This 4K Ultra HD TV delivers stunning HDR 10-picture quality with vibrant colors and sharp contrast for an immersive viewing experience. Our 21st deal features the Insta360 X3, now 17% off, priced at $249, down from $299. It captures stunning 5.7K 360-degree video and 72-megapixel photos with dual sensors and easy AI-powered reframing for any angle. Our 22nd deal features the Samsung 990 EVO, now 28% off, priced at $234, down from $327. With blazing fast read-write speeds up to 7,250 megabytes per second and 4 terabyte capacity, it's built for high-performance storage and massive file transfers. Our 23rd deal features the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro, now 44% off, priced at $499, down from $899. With solar charging, multi-sport GPS, and a built-in LED flashlight, it's the ultimate watch for endurance, adventure, and all-day performance. Our 24th deal features the Blink Outdoor 4, now 62% off, priced at $99, down from $259. This wireless security camera offers 1080p HD live view, night vision, and two-way audio for smart home protection day and night. Our 25th deal features the Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro, now 40% off, priced at $89, down from $149. Weighing just 63 grams with a 0.2 milliseconds actuation time, it delivers elite-level speed, precision, and reliability for competitive gaming. Our 26th deal features the LG OLED Evo AI 65-inch, now 14% off, priced at $2,905, down from $3,396. With LG's brightest OLED display, AI-powered upscaling, and perfect black and color contrast, it delivers stunning picture quality in any lighting. Our 27th deal features the Dell Inspiron 15, now 73% off, priced at $649, down from $2,399. This sleek touchscreen laptop features a 15.6-inch FHD display and Intel Iris Xe graphics for sharp visuals and vibrant immersive viewing. Our 28th deal features the Amazon Smart Thermostat, now 35% off, priced at $51, down from $79. This energy-saving upgrade works with Echo devices as temperature sensors to keep your home comfortable and efficient. Our 29th deal features the Amazon Echo Frames, now 61% off, priced at $129, down from $329. With open-ear audio and Alexa built in, you can stream music, take calls, and access content hands-free wherever you go. Our 30th deal features the Samsung T9 Portable SSD, now 43% off, priced at $169, down from $299. With 2 terabytes of storage and blazing red speeds up to 2,000 megabytes per second, it's the perfect high-speed drive for gaming, school, and creative work. Our 31st deal features the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, now 42% off, priced at $34, down from $59. With 16 gigabytes of storage and access to over 1.5 million movies and shows, it's the ultimate upgrade for 4K streaming and entertainment. Our 32nd deal features the Ego Power Plus Cordless Lawn Mower, now 43% off, priced at $599, down from $1,048. It runs up to 60 minutes on a single charge and includes 2 powerful ARC lithium batteries for extended efficient mowing. Our 33rd deal features this wireless gaming headset, now 40% off, priced at $29, down from $49. With low latency wireless tech and 50mm drivers, it delivers immersive stereo sound and stable connectivity for a competitive gaming edge. Our 34th deal features the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine, now 27% off, priced at $549, down from $749. With an integrated grinder and precision dose control, it brews fresh, barista-quality espresso from bean to cup in under a minute. Our 35th deal features the iRobot Roomba Plus 405, now 50% off, priced at $399, down from $799. It features smart LiDAR mapping and an auto-wash dock that auto-empties for up to 75 days, plus mops, washes, and dries pads for effortless deep cleaning. Our 36th deal features the Ado Cold Press Juicer, now 40% off, priced at $109, down from $182. With a 5.3-inch wide feed chute and 1.7-liter capacity, it produces nutrient-rich, foam-free juice for the whole family with minimal prep. Our 37th deal features the Amico ceiling fans, now 24% off, priced at $64, down from $84. With a 6-speed remote, adjustable light color, and sleep timer, it offers customizable comfort and can double as a wall switch. Our 38th deal features the Drio fan for bedroom, now 15% off, priced at $84, down from $99. Combining a pedestal, oscillating, and air circulator fan in one, it offers 8 speeds and 3 modes for quiet, powerful cooling. Our 39th deal features the portable handheld fan, now 24% off, priced at $12, down from $16. This ultra-quiet rechargeable fan offers 6 adjustable speeds, including a natural wind mode to keep you cool on the go. Our 40th deal features the Ybot C1 robotic pool vacuum, now 40% off, priced at $449, down from $749. With up to 150 minutes of runtime and fast 3-hour charging, it's perfect for deep, efficient cleaning in large in-ground pools. That wraps up our top 40 Prime Day deals. Be sure to check the links in the description to grab these offers before they're gone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing finds. Thanks for watching and happy Prime Day shopping!